Alright, so is there anything else that it's 7:17. It's oh yeah. And that was another special surprise. I actually printed out the entire, all three of the best pictures that my selfie with her and Martinette for on one big poster, and it's all right there. I still keep it though. But autograph on the T-shirt, the plush, the autographs from both Martinette and Strong. The greatest thing, the greatest convention ever went to. So yeah, that was something really, really special. You know, I know a bunch of fans. It's pretty much gonna kill me right now, especially Black Century. But that doesn't matter. My dream got fulfilled. You know, I'm able to share it, and this is a long video at this very moment because it is 40 minutes in addition to the Q&A videos, which is about 40 minutes extra, so it's about like gonna be an hour and 20 minutes. And it is 7:20. I need to get going to work. I may have like a few extra things to talk about, but at this very moment, I gotta go to work. So I will be trying to work on chapter 4 sometime, but I need to do chapter 2 and chapter 3 before it's too late. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and Charles Martinette and Tara Strong, if you're watching this, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I cannot thank you both enough. You made my SuperCon amazing, spectacular, and the greatest experience of my life. And hopefully that isn't the last time I see you both. Hopefully that isn't the last time. But if it is, then I'll still be cheering both of you on from the sidelines. So thank you so much. Thank you. I couldn't thank you both enough. Thank you. And once again, I apologize if I was a pest and if I was annoying you. If was a bit buggy, I apologize. I really do. I hope I didn't mean any harm or anything, but thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all for watching too. So it's time for me to go to work now. So I will see you in chapter 4. Thank you for watching, and just so yeah.